we are going to see assembly language programming using 8051. So the first assembly language program is addition, 8-bit addition using 8051 microcontroller. So I am pasting the program. So in this program, we are starting the program at the memory location 0000H. We are using the accumulator register, A register and B register. We are transferring the data from the memory location 30H and 31H. So two data were available in A register and B register. Now adding both the contents of A and B register and storing in A register. I'm storing the result in 32H memory location. Now we are checking the carry flag, whether a carry is produced or not. If there is no carry, we are going to the label skip. We are transferring 0 to accumulator and storing the result in 33H. If there is a carry, 01 will be stored and it will jump to the label stop, and accumulator value will be stored in the 33H. So if there is no carry, 0 will be stored in 33H. If there is a carry, 01 will be stored in 33H. The final command is short jump $. It will jump in the same line. Now we will see how to execute this. So go to the tools, compile, give a name. So I am giving a name called addition dot ASM. Since it is a assembly language program, you give us ASM as a expansion. Then give OK. Yes. Once again compile. So you have to save the file. Now if you look at this, there is no errors, only 2 warnings, no problem. Then we go to the simulator, start, shutdown. So first we have to give the values in the memory location 30H and 31H. So for this you go to the simulator. Here 30H, you have to give a value 4 and 56. Okay, so this is 4 and 56. So now I am going by step. So in the simulator there is a step option. So first step, the 04 is loaded in accumulator. So second step, 56 is loaded in B, 56 is loaded in B register. One second step, now both are added. So when you add 4 to 56 in hexadecimal, it becomes 5A. So 5A is loaded in accumulator. Now one second step, now it will be stored in the location 32H. It is stored here. So it is 5A is stored in 32. Now one second step, now it will check the carry. Since there is no carry, it goes to the location move A 00H. So 00 will be in accumulator. Now one second step, so it will store the location in 33H. Already it is 0. Now it is only 0 only. Then step, it will go to the last location, then it will complete. Okay. Now we will do once again. We will, in order to stop the simulator running, you have to once again give start shutdown once again. Now we will give with a data which will produce a carry. So once again you have to go start the simulator, start shutdown. Now we have to go to the value 30 and you have to give values. So one value is FF, other value is 01, 02. So now you get a value of 01 and with a carry. So once again go by step procedure. A is loaded with accumulator FF, B with 02. Now both are added. 01 will be in accumulator and carry is also produced. 01 is stored in 32H. If you look at this, 32H, 01 is stored. Now it will check the carry. So there is a carry. So accumulator is loaded with 1. Now it will go to the labels. Yes, jump stop. Now it will be 01 will be stored in 33H. So now when you look at this 33H, 01 will be loaded. So this is the final step. Then you start shutdown. So now we have seen how to make a 8051 assembly language program using addition.